Welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you. Yes, today we'll be making a very delicious stew. I'll be using my tomato, bell pepper, onions, garlic, ginger. In place of fresh pepper, I'll be using dry pepper. Add water and boil for about 5 minutes. Chop the tomato, the bell pepper, garlic, onions, ginger, and wash the pepper. Add it to the blender. Add a little bit of water and blend. After blending the pepper for some time, I like to be very smooth before adding the chopped tomatoes because I don't want the tomatoes to be too smooth. So I blended the pepper to be very smooth before adding the tomato. Cover and blend without adding any water. It's red, the way it's thick, just like tin tomato. To make this stew, I'll be using salmon fish. So the fish has been washed, tomatoes and garlic, ginger has been chopped. I'll be using a bit of tin tomatoes, thyme, curry, salt. I'll add a little bit of salt to the fish, mix it together, put the pan on the fire and add oil. I like adding a bit of onions to the oil whenever I'm frying fish. I love the aroma it gives to the fish. I'll be using the oil I use in frying the fish. I love to taste it out to my stew. After filtering, I put the pan on the fire and add the oil. I'll add a little bit of fresh oil because the other one would not be enough. So I add the ginger, garlic, and onion. Stir together. Add the blended tomatoes and cover to cook. In another pan, I add a little bit of oil, ginger, garlic, and onions. I'll be frying the tin tomatoes because I don't like the taste of the tin tomatoes. At this point, add the seasonings: thyme, curry, Maggi, and bay leaf, and the fried tin tomatoes, and stir. Cover to boil. The tomatoes is steamed. At this point, I will stir and add the fried fish. Stir together, cover, and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. And at this point, our stew is ready. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Please don't forget to like, share, follow my page. See you in my next video. Thank you. Goodbye.